No.
What'd you say?
No?
No.
Yes.
No.
Yeah.
No.
Yes.
No.
I remember that voice.
Everybody. Walker.
Oh!
No.
Yes.
I said no.
I said yes.
Yes.
But I
Yes.
said no.
I
Yes.
said yes.
God damn it, I said no.
But we are saying yes.
Yes to sex, consensually. I prefer it when you scream no, not when you scream yes. The look in your eyes, terrified. It arouses me. So no!
Yes.
Oh!
Thank you!
Bitch, yes.
No, okay.
So, I apparently made a bunch of people huddle around me. I'm a god.
Yes, you did.
No, I'm a god.
No,
I
I'm
don't
a
know.
god.
You could be a poor in.
Where do you guys want to land?
No. No. Honey, I'm home. No! Hey, we have the same jacket. Come over here, you son of a bitch.
我倒水上去。
好巧你逍遥，好巧你逍遥。你name 凯兰，跳舞好巧你逍遥。
Shut the fuck up.
No! Ah, fuck me. Holy fuck.
That's right, bitch.
I am not a bitch. I just died like one. Good one, man. Fencing. Fuck, fuck. Run.
Where is he?
On the right. West. That's where I heard the gunshots is west. And there's another guy in the fucking town.
Oh, I see him. He's right fucking in front of us.
Where is he?
He's like right in front of me right here. I just seen him lay down. Oh god, fucking zone.
Well, we're gonna have to fight fast, bro.
Rush him.
I don't know where he is.
He's in this building right here. I think. He's like somewhere right in this general area.
He's not in this. I
Found him.
found him. Fuck you! Bye bye,
You
baby!
get the quick gun?
Short in front of you to the north was people too, or was shots. And it's so fucking open, so yeah.
Gotta get more in the grass.
Watch right there. There are two people running me to you. Nice! James! You are a beast!
3 more alive. Hell yeah.
Two people, one
I
one
can't
team.
believe they didn't fucking see me. That's beautiful, isn't it?
One team.
I actually need.
One guy had a car, so
Yeah, I need 762 right now.
1v1, James. 1v1.
Fuck yeah.
You can do it, James.
Am I gonna get my fucking chicken dinner?
You have to go. You have to go, James.
I know.
The zone is on your ass. On your arse. Short, right trees. That's the high top point right now.
He's probably right there.
Left, on the little tree, to the left.
Is that where he is?
Right. Ah, he is switching weapon.
Where is he?
On the go behind the tree, James.
Where the fuck was he?
I told you on the little tree to the right.
Oh god, I almost got my chicken dinner. This one's in the barn with me, I think.
Hopefully he didn't find a shotgun in here.
Hey baby, let's see how I hang. What's that? They're not shooting at you, right?
Yeah.
Oh god
Almost
damn,
died.
fucking ragdoll, that was amazing. Did you kill the other guy?
Yeah, I killed him.
No! I'm retarded.
What the fuck? You revived me? Oh,
No.
revive me.
One shot, man. That was good. Good battle, guys.
Yeah, I love you. You did
Love
good
you
too.
bud. Love you too, man.
I fucked up with the sword of shotgun. This thing is amazing.
God damn it, keep touching me! Why won't you let me at you?
I'm not even trying to dodge.